This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video we will learn today how to do the division and one more important function, modulus, in Microsoft Excel. So here we can see that we have a table where we have put the value of amount and the value of quantity, and we are going to calculate the division and the modulus. First we must know what is a modulus. Basically nowadays in this advanced era we use the word mod instead of the word modulus, which is the actual name of the function, which is always return the value of remainder in the division process. So here you can see that we have this screenshot of the division process. So here you can see that here's some values where you can see that 75 is being divided by 9, and when we multiply 9 with 8 we got 72, and then 3 remains, which is declared as a remainder over here. So first of all we must know the concept of division, that what all these different values are knowns, what are the technical and the mathematical names of all these values. So here 9 is treated as divisor, 75 is treated as dividend, 8 is called quotient, and 3 is the remainder. So mod always return the value of remainder in the division process. So here mod actually gives us the value of 3. So we are going to actually apply the formula of mod built-in function in the modulus column over here. So how it is done? It's very simple. So if you would like to know about the divisor and dividend, then the definitions are always here. The number that is being divided is called the dividend, which is the 75, and the number that is being divided is called divisor. The number that is being divided by is called the divisor. So the 75 is being divided by 9, so 9 is called over here as divisor. So how it is done? So I'm going to perform it, but here you can see that I have also mentioned the headings of dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder. So it's very simple. The amount column, the values which are displayed in the column of amount are treated as dividend, the values of quantity are treated as divisor, the value of the division we are going to calculate will be treated as quotient, and the values of the modulus column will be treated and will be displayed as remainder. So how it is done is very simple. First we will put an equal to sign, and I will select the cell B6. so you can see that it is a formatted table, so the structured cells reference is declared right over here. So we will put the sign of division, which is called slash. So we'll press the slash key and we'll select the other cell, which is C6. So we'll select C6, so it select the structured cell reference, add quantity has been selected. So we'll press the enter key. So here you can see that division is performed very simply. The other way how we are going to calculate the other formula is the modulus functions. So how it is done I have just mentioned over here. First we will type mod built-in function, which is the name of the built-in function provided by Microsoft Excel, and we'll put a bracket, parenthesis, we'll type the dividend, and here you can see the dividend is always the amount, the values which are available in the amount column, and the divisors values are available in the column of quantity. So we will type equal to sign, we'll put mod, and I'll put a bracket, and we'll select the dividend. Here the dividend column is amount, so we'll select B6 and we'll put a comma, and we'll select the divisor value. The divisor, here you can see values are available in the column of quantity, so we'll select C6 and we'll put a bracket, closing bracket, so and we'll press the enter. So you can see that modulus always gives the value of the remainder. Here you can see. So here you can see that we have actually divided 10 by 2, and it divided such a way that it multiplies 2 multiplied by 5, and we got 10, and there is no remainder remains in this division, so it gives us 0 right in this. Here you can see the value of the dividend is 63 and we have 8, so when we calculate it, so it gives us 8 is 64. So basically I have actually performed the round of options over here, so I just skip it. So when I wave off the round of option, so you can see that 8 7 is 56, and then there's a decimal in 8 and 8. So this is the quotient value provided by the division function, and the remainder is 7. So 8 7 is 56, and 4 by subtracting 63, 56 from 63, you always get 7. So remainder modulus always gives you the value of the remainder in this column. So thanks for watching.